New at noon in our COVID-19 coverage, Manitou Springs, one of the last towns in the region to lift its original mask mandate, will now require masks, and that is going to start next week.
Yep, KRDO News Channel 13's Kurjan Bianca is now live with us in Manitou. Kurjan, what does this mandate mean for locals and tourists?
Here in Manitou Springs, masks will be required in all indoor public spaces starting on Monday, August 23rd. City officials say they're taking both the Delta variant into consideration and the fact that Manitou is a tourist destination. Exceptions will be made for children under the age of 5 and for people who medically can't tolerate a face covering. Also, if you are dining out at a restaurant, you can take your mask off. Manitou Springs says this mask mandate is slightly different from the last one. Masks aren't being required outside this time. When it comes to enforcement, police say they'll enforce disturbances that involve disputes inside local businesses over the emergency order. Those will be treated as any trespassing issue. This means that business owners will have the right to request that anyone who is in violation of the order that they leave their establishment. Again, that public indoor mask mandate starts on Monday. Reporting live in Manitou, Kurjan Bianca, KRDO News Channel 13.
All right, thanks, Kurjan. Also new in our COVID-19 coverage this afternoon, the vaccination rate in El Paso County stands at 57%. That's according to the Public Health Department. It's a number that's lower than other large counties in Colorado, like Denver, which has a vaccination rate of 71%.
KRDO News Channel 13's Natalie Haddad spoke with the county on why that is and if we've seen any kind of improvement in vaccination rates as kids return to school.
Yeah, right now El Paso County's vaccination rates fall a little bit more than 12% behind its goal. And as for hospitalizations in the county, 95% of them are from those who are not vaccinated. El Paso County public health leaders say the goal is to get 70% of the county's population vaccinated, falling in line with Governor Polis's statewide and President Joe Biden's nationwide goals.
We are seeing that 64.5% of our population has at least one shot, and 57.9% are fully vaccinated, which translates to 307,000 people and a few more. So, I mean, when you start looking at those numbers, that's, fairly remarkable.
When vaccinations became more widely available in the spring, El Paso County saw a spike in those willing to roll up their sleeves. But not so much since then. With the Delta variant becoming predominant, El Paso County Public Health wants to see more people get vaccinated.
We're kind of at a steady state.
The county encourages those who've yet to be vaccinated to do so, specifically noting those who have already had COVID-19. Dr. Johnson says natural immunity or antibodies isn't enough to fully protect you.
If you ask me as medical director, I would say we need that rate to be higher to reach the saturation that's going to have the kind of dramatic impact we really need on mitigating COVID.
Remember, vaccinations are free and available in a number of locations throughout the county. The Public Health Department tells me that all three options are available. That's Moderna, Pfizer, or Johnson & Johnson. You can find exactly where you can get yours at a location near you at krdo.com. Reporting live in El Paso County, Natalie Haddad, KRDO News Channel 13.
Good information there, Natalie. Thank you. Here's a check-in on the latest case numbers in your community. El Paso County reporting 257 new cases. Pueblo County adding 34 new cases and 1 new death. In Teller County, 3 more cases and 5 in Fremont County. That new data comes as 72.5% of all people eligible to be vaccinated have received at least 1 dose of the vaccine here in Colorado.